Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the journey to Mars and the possibility of living on the red planet. We'll answer all your burning questions. How do we get to Mars? When was the first mission to Mars? How many missions have there been? What's the cost of going to Mars? And how long does it take to travel from Earth to Mars? Before answering all these questions, you can pause the video for 3 seconds and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. How do we get to Mars? The journey to Mars is one of the most complex and ambitious undertakings in human history. It involves several stages, including launching from Earth, traveling through space, and landing on Mars. To get to Mars, spacecraft need to follow a specific trajectory known as the Hohmann transfer orbit. This is the most efficient path, requiring the least amount of energy. The spacecraft is launched from Earth, enters a transfer orbit around the Sun, and eventually intercepts Mars' orbit. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is at the forefront of Mars exploration with its Starship rocket. This spacecraft is designed to carry large payloads and crew members to Mars, utilizing reusable rockets to reduce costs. NASA is also developing the Space Launch System, SLS, and the Orion spacecraft for deep space missions, including Mars. When was the first mission to Mars? The first mission to Mars was NASA's Mariner 4, launched on November 28, 1964. Mariner 4 conducted the first successful flyby of Mars on July 14, 1965. Sending back the first close-up images of another planet. Since then, there have been numerous missions to Mars, including flybys, orbiters, landers, and rovers. Notable missions include the Viking program in the 1970s, the Mars Pathfinder in 1997, the Spirit and Opportunity rovers in the 2000s, and the Curiosity rover, which has been exploring Mars since 2012. Recently, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars in February 2021, equipped with advanced scientific instruments to search for signs of past life. How many missions have there been to Mars? As of now, there have been over 50 missions to Mars from various space agencies around the world. These missions have included orbiters like Mars Odyssey, landers like InSight, and rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance. The European Space Agency, ESA, and the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, have also launched successful missions to Mars. What's the cost of going to Mars? The cost of going to Mars is incredibly high due to the complexity and distance involved. NASA's Perseverance rover mission cost approximately $2.7 billion, including the development, launch, and operations. Elon Musk has ambitious plans to reduce the cost of Mars missions significantly. He envisions a future where the cost of sending someone to Mars could be as low as $200,000. This would be achieved through the use of reusable rockets, economies of scale, and advancements in space technology. How long does it take to travel from Earth to Mars? The travel time from Earth to Mars varies depending on the relative positions of the two planets. On average, it takes about 6 to 9 months to travel from Earth to Mars. SpaceX aims to reduce this travel time with the Starship rocket, which is designed for speed and efficiency. Musk has mentioned the possibility of reducing the trip to around 3 months in the future. The challenges of colonizing Mars. Colonizing Mars is an immense challenge due to its harsh environment. Mars has a thin atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, and surface temperatures that can drop to minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Additionally, Mars lacks liquid water on its surface, and its lower gravity, about 38% of Earth's, presents health challenges for long-term human habitation. To overcome these challenges, plans for Mars colonization include creating self-sustaining habitats with life support systems, using advanced technology to extract water from the soil, and developing agriculture techniques to grow food. Solar power and nuclear energy are considered potential sources of power for these colonies. Conclusion: the journey to Mars is one of humanity's greatest adventures, filled with incredible challenges and opportunities. From the first missions in the 1960s to the ambitious plans of SpaceX and NASA, the dream of reaching and colonizing Mars is closer than ever. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Mars. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more exciting content on space and beyond. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.